Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the alternatives to Qustodio, like what are the ones that you kind of like have to be aware of and that are free on the market. So the first one that is like very popular is that you can check out the Google Family link. Now with the Google Family link, you can set up the screen time limits, app management, app time limits, location tracking, web filtering, safe search, Google Play controls, activity reports, remote device lock. But the pros is that you don't have any premium tier, you just have like free deep Android integration that you can have it with Android, works well with Google ecosystem, location tracking included, app approval workflow. But the cons is for Android and Chromebook only. Limited web filtering, no social monitoring, no calls, SMS monitoring, designed for kids under 13. Then another one that you can check out is Microsoft Family Safety. So it's a control solution built into Windows, Xbox, and Android. So key features, you can like screen time limit, app game limit, web filtering, content restrictions, activity reports, store controls, Xbox integration, find your child. The pros, it's free and built into Windows, excellent Xbox gaming controls, works across Windows, PCs, and Xbox. Microsoft Edge filtering, no additional software needed on Windows, cross device time limits. Now the web filtering only works in Edge, not Chrome or Firefox, so this is like huge con of it. Now then also another one that you can like OpenDS Family Shield. This is like another one that you can check out. So it is like a DNS based content filtering that blocks adult content at the network level, and this is something that you can actually do. Now, the cons is that only blocks the website. You don't have any screen time, app blocking, or location, but this is something that I recommend to also do. Like, you know, when you can like block, I don't know if they go to various websites, but again, it's not going to block like Snapchat, right? So, doesn't also work when child is outside home network, if they're on the data, for example. So that's like another thing. And then also we can check out the Kaspersky Safe Kids. So like free tier available, premium $15 a year. So you have generous free tier, web filtering works well, cross-platform support, very affordable premium, good for younger kids. But the cons is location tracking requires premium, limited social media monitoring, and it's a Russian company and is less comprehensive than Qustodio. So, and the last one you can check out is Bark Free. So this is another one what you can check out. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys, and have a great day and goodbye.